Hi folks, today I bring you a panel of the Belson model BSA4150. It is a DVD home theater device. This is a panel that combines a VFD with a touchscreen. The driver used for the alphanumeric VFD is one SO791, which in another exactly identical panel already has a PT6311. We have already covered these two drivers in the previous videos, so we won't expend time on them. The panel has a buzzer, one infrared receiver, and, as I said, the funny touchscreen. Perhaps it would be an exaggeration to call it a touchscreen. It would be more a touch panel. The VFD that is used in conjunction with the tactile is controlled by a pair of CMOS 4094 in cascade that receive the clock, data and strobe, and which we use for control and interaction with our Arduino. The pinout of the 4094 make the interface with the VFD through a pair of the transistors by grid and segments. One of the cascade output pins is responsible for activating the buzzer. The connection of the 6 wires of the touch is set 3 by 3 and go through the R's of the 10 case to the input matrix K of the PT6311. I was unable to locate the device service manual on the web. However, it is possible to create one example for its reuse. The code stayed the most basic possible as always. To test the panel and the touchscreen, I implement 5 functions in the touch. The first function clean the screen and make the buzzer active. Every time I press the screen or the panel, clean the screen and ring the buzzer. This present one list of the numbers is the second function. The third give the message "Hi folks," and after these two active the port of the Arduino to activate one LED, deactivate the LED, the second LED. Okay, this is all the functions I implement to make the test. The remaining parts is the basic of the connections to the panel. You need to implement the clock, the strobe, and data to the control of PT6311. In this case is SO791. Here you have power is not implemented. The plus 12 volts, the less 12 volts is not necessary to our test. We have the filament 1, filament 2, GND, less 27 volts and the plus 5 volts DC in this first block. In the second block, the data to the driver, and here the connection to control the both CMOS. Buzzer, numbers, hi folks, LED 1, LED 2, okay. Here you can see the combination to the matrix of the keys of the driver, okay? You can see the pinout of the tactile, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. You have 6 wires, okay? And the combination at the block of the left, you have the pin 1 and 4, 1 and 5, 2 and 4, 3 and 5, 2 and 6, 3 and 6. This means when you press, for example, this square here, we will activate the 3 and 5 at the output of the tactile panel, okay? After, you have the activation of the code running to read the bytes. For example, this is a byte 0, bit 1, byte 1, bit 4, byte 1, bit 1, byte 1, bit 6, byte 1, bit 2, okay? You implement in the field of this range the operation you want to make, okay? Here you can see the bits activating the cascade of the CMOS. You have 1 0, 1 4, 1 5 because this segments here is activated in the 3 steps: 1, 2, and 3. Okay, the text is 1, the cover up is 1, and the low cover is another. Okay, this means this is the output 1 0, 1 4, 1 5, 1 6, 1 7. After 1 1, 1 2, 1 3, 0 7, 0 6. This is represent the output of the CMOS. Okay, this is the logic of the touch screen. When you press the finger here in this point, you close the range of the ohms inside of the touch. In this case, you can see here you have 2 and 3 ohms, 807, 360, 1300, 2700, 1700. But this is not matter because we read bits direct, okay? This is the identification of the 14 segments we use. And this is the reference of the device. That's all.